Good day, my wonderful viewers. So welcome once again to Frequency Online Match. So today we are going to talk about probability. Now, what is this probability? Probability is things we do in our daily life. You get so it is simply in mathematics. It is simply the branch of mathematics that deals with what possibilities or chances of what events occurring under what some conditions or under stated conditions. Let's read from the board. Probability is the branch of mathematics that deals with the possibilities or chances of events occurring under stated words condition. There must be a stated word condition. Now, probability enters into much of our daily activities. For example, the referee choosing which team to kick off a match. If you watch football match, you know that whenever they want to play ball, the referee will come with a coin, which has a head and a tail. This is sample space. You get a head and a tail. Now, probability of choosing a head is equals to what? 1 over how many are there? 2. You get it? If he throws it, it's either a head come out or what? A tail comes out. 1 must occur. And probability of choosing a tail is still what? 1 over 2. One of them must occur. So the medical doctor making a prediction about a patient's recovery. Understand? So maybe a medical doctor will tell you, calm down, this patient will do what? Survive. All these things are what? Probability. So he's not sure because he's not God. He's just telling you. You understand? And telling you that the patient will do what? Survive. So he's under what? Probability because God is the only person that don't have any probability. If he says that this thing must happen, it must what? Happen. Understand? So even this probability we are treating self, God can even change it. He can change any probability. You understand? So when we go to the example, we are going to still see it. So probability value ranges from 0 to 1. So they are just trying to tell us that probability values ranges from what? Let's say probability of A. It ranges from 0 to 1. The probability of A is greater than or equals to 0 and probability of A is less than or equals to what? 1. It must not pass 1. A value of 0 indicates that there is no chance at all of the prediction occurring. So for example, you just say that all men are pregnant or a man is pregnant. It's not possible. You understand? So the probability is what? 0. Or you say that a woman is a priest in the Roman Catholic Church. You also see that it is what? 0. That a woman cannot be a priest in the Catholic Church. So see the reason why I'm telling you that God can even change any probability. If God decides now that men will not be pregnant, I don't know. So because he has the power to do everything, you understand? So that's what I'm just saying. Not that he will just do men to be pregnant or something like that. But what I'm just trying to tell you that he has the power to do everything. So God don't have any probability. So um a value of 1 indicates that what this thing must occur. You understand? So the value of 1 indicates that there is certainty that this thing must occur. For example, you say that which example am I even going to use? Okay, the example I'm going to use is that okay, maybe you say that every woman person is either a male or a female. Although Americans have changed the narrative, they now have transgender, so but that's not where we are going. So it means that every woman being must be a male or a female. Either you're a male or a female. So that's how God created it. So you know that one must occur certainty. So it is denoted as what? 0. Or you can say that every woman being must die. That one is sure. It is what? 1. So that's what probability is trying to tell us. So a value of 1 means absolute what? Certainty. Now, for example, if you still remember when we play our Ludo, we get a die. You know that we have sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the die has 6 what? Faces. Now, you now ask you probability of obtaining 1 in the sample space will be what? 1 over 6. Because if you throw it, you must obtain what? Is either the first phase or what? Second phase. But we are trying to say probability of obtaining 1 is what? 1 over what? 6. Now probability of what? Obtaining 2 is still what? 2 over what? Sorry, is still what? 1 over what? 6. Probability of obtaining 3 is still what? 1 over 6. So that's it. So in our next video, we are going to talk about types of probability. Stay tuned.